Hi, I am 𝐬𝐮𝐫𝐞𝐜 Vice President of Product at Maruti Techlabs. If you are a skilled backend developer, passionate about building scalable and efficient system, then we want you to be part of our team. At Maruti Techlabs, you will be working with highly skilled and motivated backend developers who are committed to build innovative and most impactful software solutions. We take pride on ourselves on being forefront of the technological advancements and constantly strive to keep our team up to date with the latest technology trends. We recognize that every individual has their unique strengths, and we aim to provide them required support and resources to excel in their work. But don't just take my words for it. Hear from our team members about their experiences and what they love most about working here.
Hello, I'm Prachi, a backend developer at Maruti Techlabs. What initially attracted me to this company was its dedication to pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. We are constantly challenged to push the limits and think beyond the conventional. In addition to the opportunity to work on exciting projects, I have also been impressed with the supportive and collaborative culture. Everyone here is invested in each other's success and we work together to achieve our goals. What I love most about working at Maruti Techlabs is its commitment to its employees' growth and development. They offer training programs, mentorship opportunities, and regular feedback sessions that help us grow professionally and improve our skill sets.
Hi there, I am Maitri, a technical lead at Maruti Techlabs. I have been a part of the backend development team for around 5 years and it has been an incredible journey so far. At Maruti Techlabs, I have worked on multiple projects which uses .NET, C#, Entity Framework Core, RabbitMQ Message Broker, Redis, etc. technologies, which helped me reduce backend issues and improve software performance. For example, by optimizing code and ensuring efficient memory usage using .NET, we created a high-performance software application which provides seamless and enjoyable user experience. As a technical lead, I lead and mentor my talented team of 4 backend engineers, troubleshooting technical issues that involve software development as we collaborate on the most groundbreaking projects in the backend industry. And I can confidently say that Maruti Techlabs has played a significant role in helping me reach this point in my career.
Hi, I'm Ashish, technical lead at Maruti Techlabs. When I joined the team, I get the opportunity to work on the most complex projects that challenge me and help me develop my skills as backend developer. Our projects are always technically stimulating and require us to push ourselves to deliver the best possible solution. At Maruti Techlabs, we work on projects that have meaningful impact on our client's business. We believe that our success is tied to the success of our client, and we work tirelessly to provide them best possible solution. As a technical lead, I have the opportunity to lead a team of 6 bright-minded engineers focused on solving problems like developing generic platforms that interact with multiple third parties. Our aim is to provide our client with highly available platforms that scale on demand. Together, we work to develop efficient, scalable, and reliable systems that provide exceptional user experiences.
That's my team, and I want to expand it. If you are passionate about solving complex problems and having an experience in building large-scale systems, we want to hear from you. If you think you are a great fit, follow the link in the description or caption of this video to submit your resume. We look forward to hearing from you and seeing unique contributions that you can bring to our team.